That is one of the reasons why maybe I'm called to do this, or maybe I'm called to heal this kind of toxicity between us and the food. So that's one of the experiences na I was bullied for my weight. That I always, like, when I don't feel good, I eat bad food.
Ilang days na lang at Christmas na. I am pretty sure inaabangan nyo talaga itong ating Vlogmas kasi kahit paulit-ulit yung ating mga questions dito, ay excited kayong malaman kung ano rin yung mga sagot ng ating mga guests. And speaking of guests, eto na. This special episode ay ano bang tawag dito? Close to my heart. Kasi yung guest po natin ay walang iba kundi si Lacto Mom, Mommy Tricia. Hi, Mommy Tricia! Ano ba, hyper tayo? Murag wala dito nag-briefing ganina. But nagbisaya ako, Tagalog or English na. But okay lang.
Hindi naman tayo ng tita kanina.
Ay, my girl! Ganun ba?
Graces. Wow.
Ang haba nga ng briefing natin. Parang debriefing.
Yes, that's right. Iba talaga.
Yes. Mommy Trish, thank you so much. Alam ko you are very busy with your online job and being a lacto mom and being a vegan mom slash
eating mom, joke lang.
And unsa gusto yung term ni mo kaganina kang Leonard, secret.
Oh my God!
But anyway, eto na. Advance Merry Christmas!
Yes.
Ilang days na lang.
Oh
Christmas
my gosh, so
na.
excited. Even though 2020 isn't the best year, something to look forward to every Christmas because
diba?
of Jesus.
Yes. It's also my favorite season of the year. Christmas. Ayan. So, let's start na. Later na chikahan. Ano ba yan?
Yeah.
Kanina pa tayo nag-chikahan. Sige, first question, Mommy Trish. How do you alam ko na yung sagot mo dito, but I would like also to tell the world who you are by answering this question. How do you empower moms through your branding and niche?
Yes, as what Mommy Ara said, she already knows my advocacy and where my heart is. But yes, I empower moms to bring, to take care of themselves by eating healthy, not just self-care outside or physically, but internally, like preparing food that's good for your gut, for your brain, for everything, including not just for herself. She will also take care of her family, her kids, and her husband.
It's so sweet. And it's really you. Ingana dyan na si Mami Tricia, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, next question. What is, Miss Universe, what is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you?
Yes, still connected with my number one answer. Since I had bad relationships with food, different, it's not good, it's toxic. That is one of the reasons why maybe I'm called to do this, or maybe I'm called to heal this kind of toxicity between us and the food. So that's one of the experiences na I was bullied for my weight. That I always, like, when I don't feel good, I eat bad food. So because of that, it made a big impact. Because of now what I have now, it's so hard to lose weight and all that. That is the reason why that experience changed everything when at this stage of my life right now.
And I have also to share na parang sinabi ko kanina kay Mami Tricia, kulang na lang i-mute ko na siya sa Instagram stories niya kasi puro vegan na, and I badly want na
I know
to switch.
how Mommy Ara wants, because she takes time to message me, she replies to my stories all the time.
Yes.
What I appreciate about her, she really wants to try, but it's just so hard for her.
Yes, I'm so tamad. Tamad to prepare.
Okay, each her own. We don't judge here. We're not judge.
You're not judger.
Yes, a judger.
Ayan. I'm sure sila Hunter and si Zach din ay mga vegans na. And speaking of Hunter and Zach, name 3 things that you love using for them, especially this year. And you can name brands if you want, pwede rin hindi.
That's good. I've been, ever since the pandemic happened, I've been supporting local brands. So anything that I can find here locally, like Nature, I think you know them. Yeah, because their supplier is vegan and cruelty-free. They don't use animals for testing. At the same time, anything that doesn't have any cruelty ingredients, like different dyes or different animal derived ingredients. Sacred, this one, I read their ingredients. Also, we have been using, I'm not sure who their supplier is, but the Eco Potato Shop, I'm buying her shampoo bars and soap bars, Tawas Mansi. And so far, Zach is using it because he has bumps, parang mga dito sa braso niya. So I tell him to scrub it out with it. And so far, parang nag-neutralize ang odor ni Zach kasi, di ba, he's turning to a teenager now. So he needs to take care of his body odor or his hygiene, to be exact. Another is third. I'm really not into brands. It's big. I usually support if they're a friend or if I heard that their company supports they're ethical, that like they're environmental friendly and like that.
Totoo. So I am looking forward sa katong ginagamit ni Zach na sana siya mga plant-based na mga ingredients niya ng mga nawala na ako sa gusto.
I am looking
Tagalog tayo.
Welcome to Manila.
Okay, bago pa magkawala-wala ato ang mga thoughts. Let's proceed with our 4th question. Ito, sabi ko rin, di ba, Christmas is my most favorite season. I'm sure kayo din as a family because it's basically happy. Yung name pa lang happy na yung ano niya, yung branding. Pati Christmas may branding. Pero anyway, ito, what's your Christmas message to parents who are watching this video?
First of all, hang tight. Merry Christmas. Let's remember the reason for this season, Christ. So I know it's been a tough year and expect for hopefully until 2021, 2022 lang. You don't lose hope because, as what we know that God had given His Son for us. So we're that special. I know He will save us from this rut, from this is just a bad season for us. So diba, it's our lives are just ups and downs. So it's such a cliche, pero it's real. I mean, we always have good times and bad times. So remember that God loves us, and because of this, this season, we are reminded that we are loved and cherished. So yun, just don't lose hope. God loves you.
Don't lose hope. Ayan, kahit umuulan na dito, don't lose hope. Merry Christmas, Mommy Tricia.
Christmas.
Yes, and thank you so much also for being with me today. I hope hindi rin ako nakabala sa busy schedule mo. Sabi ko talaga,
okay.
Tricia, 15 minutes lang, please, 15 minutes lang.
It's such an honor to be interviewed by the worldwide, the best host in Davao City. Hire her.
Mommy
so
Trish.
I would like to plug in. Sabay ganun, no? Okay na, mag-segue na ako.
Mommy Trish, please, please invite the moms and dads na maging vegan. Na follow sa'yo sa social media channels mo.
Thank you. Thank you again for this opportunity, Mami Ara. Such a fun talk. Yes, if you want to know more about my advocacy about animals for the earth and for our health, just follow Tricia Lim on Facebook, Mommy Tricia Lim at Instagram, and Tricia Lim on YouTube. That's spelled as Tricia. Then siguro lalagay ni Mommy Ara sa title ang aking name because they always call me, even when I introduce myself, they always spell it as Trisha. Na-trigger ko Twitch na ko. Oh my gosh, I'm not used to that lang. So, yun. Thank
Yes.
you.
Tricia yung
Tricia.
spelling. Tricia.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mami Trish. Thank you so much. Fresh cake ka today. Please know that you are really very fresh. Ganyan pala
Thank
pag,
you.
ganyan pala pag super busy, magiging fresh pala like you. Effortless
Yeah,
na walang
lang, fresh fruits and
makeup.
vegetables.
Yes, I think that's the secret. That's the main secret. Diba? So, Mami Tricia, thank you so much. And thank you also sa mga moms and dads and kahit hindi moms and dads na nanonood nito. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ganun din kayo kay Mami Tricia, of course. And Merry Christmas. Until our next Vlogmas episodes. Bye!
Hope to see you soon, Mami Ara. Bye!